Hey guys, we're back at Computex 2025 and we're at the ASRock booth. And as usual, you know this guy, Edwin. All right,
Hello.
Edwin, how you doing?
Nice to see you.
Show us some of the new boards that you have. I think there's some AMD boards, right? Yep. Okay, what's at the top right here?
So we have 5 new AMD XA70 motherboards here at our booth. And from the top, we have the new Taichi OCF, the XA70E Taichi OCF. Now, what's interesting is about this is OCF obviously is our new, not new, OC Formula series. And this is actually the first OC Formula board based on the AMD platform.
Oh, okay.
So in the past, it's all Intel.
Okay.
Yeah, but now this is the first AMD board that's a OCF.
OCF for AMD platform.
Yep.
It has all the same overclocking features.
All the same overclocking feature, all the buttons, all the settings, and also a lot of very, very good power phases, up to 25 phases.
25, okay.
25,
interesting,
yeah.
Right.
And 22 for the V-Core.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah. And a lot of M.2s. For this board, 6 of them.
6 M.2
6
slots
M.2s.
for your SSDs.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And you got the easy release, I can see that.
Yep.
Yeah, and the quick kind of release for the
M.2s.
Yep. All right. I think I've reviewed this one before. Yeah.
This one, the E version Nova.
Oh, the E version.
This is the E Nova. This one we launched last year.
Yeah.
And for this year, we have the non-E Nova.
Okay, so non-E edition. Okay.
Yeah, this is a new board. Yeah, we are going to mass production like next week.
Next week.
So very, very new.
Excellent.
Now, we have the huge success on the E Nova.
Yes.
So we want to bring that success into our non-E
version.
Yeah.
More affordable, of course.
Yeah.
Has lots of the same features, right? Oh, the same kind of enthusiast features.
Yeah.
You got a diagnostic LED, power on, reset buttons right here, quick release, easy release for the graphics card, the heatsink, quick release there as well. M.2, how many M.2s has this got?
This one 5.
Like 4?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Wow.
On the non-E platform, that is like unheard of.
That's right, because normally you get either 3 or 4.
Yeah.
You have 5 M.2 slots for your SSDs.
Yeah.
Good power phases up to 21.
21, yeah.
Excellent. So these are the new 2 boards, right?
And
Excellent.
also we have the new entry board.
Entry
the
board.
Pro-A.
Pro-A.
Yeah. This
non-E again.
Non-E again, yes. And entry board. Very, kind of cheap.
Affordable.
But
it has
the
nice
aesthetics.
design. Yeah, nice aesthetics. Nice deep black with a matte finish. Heat sinks as well. And you got a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Yeah, 3 slots.
Slots.
And 3 M.2 slots as well. And also you move on to the back.
Yeah.
The Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 7.
Wi-Fi 7.
Yeah, USB 4,
USB
2 ports.
4.
And loads of USBs.
Wow, nice. But for this board, I mean, it's portable, entry level, but you have all those features, right?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent.
A perfect entry level board.
And this is something new, right?
Yeah.
Wow, okay,
We call it
tell
the
us more.
Taichi Creator Series.
Taichi Creator Series?
Yep.
Okay.
This is obviously for creators.
Yeah.
So if you look at the back, you got 2 lanes.
Look at this.
Ethernet lanes. One of them is 5 gigabit lanes, another one is 10 gigabit lanes.
10 gigabit and 5 gigabit. Wow, excellent. Look at that.
And
Amazing.
loads of USBs and USB 4s.
Yeah, because when you create a streamer, you want those extra USB ports on the different lanes. Okay, great. Again, same features with the enthusiast features. You got a power button reset, diagnostic LEDs, the quick release for your M.2 heatsink, easy release for your graphics card, nice heatsink as well, nice heatsink design. So this is again aimed at the creator space, or content creators. X870 non-E, that's fine. Because I think with the E and non-E, it's very slight difference, right? So people go for the non-E version a lot more.
Non-E will be cheaper.
Cheaper?
Yeah, but sometimes less expandability.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but
Less lanes, but it's okay for most
because
users.
for us, we are trying to bring the most out of every platform.
Yeah.
So you see, despite it's just a non-E, you can see the expandability. Very, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, same story on the non-E Nova. So,
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So I think these are the new motherboard stuff that you have for this year at Computex 2025.
Yes.
So thank you, Edwin, for your
Thank
time.
you.
And we'll have a great Computex.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.